Hey, what's up, folks? How's it going? So today's question is, what are the benefits of IaC infrastructure as a code like Terraform? So before going into this, I will just answer a similar question which I posted on my LinkedIn page, Devops Challenge Hub. Quickly, we'll go through it and then we'll come to that question. So which of the following is not a benefit of Terraform? Which of the following is not a benefit of Terraform? Multi-cloud support for managing diverse environment, validation and preview on infrastructure changes before applying them, provide automated real-time monitoring of infrastructure performance, and D tracks infrastructure changes through version control system. So obviously A, B, and D, they are like benefits of Terraform. So C is the answer. So now let's look at what are the benefits of Terraform. So first benefit is consistency and repeatability. Since we are writing as a code, right? So it's a consistent and we can repeat it again and again. We can create staging infrastructure and again, we can use the script with different variables, parameters and deploy on the production, right? And we can avoid configuration drift. Configuration drift means since these changes are tracked and managed through code, so it's like we know that what configuration on or what is exactly getting deployed. Otherwise, if someone manually set up testing environment and development environment, production environment, so he may forget something, he may miss out something, he may miss out some steps, right? And there will be some configuration differences, some differences in settings, etc. Or he may forget to create some resource. So all these things may happen. But here, since it's a manages a code, that kind of situation can be avoided. So consistency and repeatability. Second one is a scalability. You can scale easily. You can create hundreds of resources or provision thousands of resources because you are just writing a code. You are not going to manually launch it, right? So creating resources, configuring, etc. Like it will be quite easy, and you can reuse it. Like that is the benefit of the code. The reusable model you can write. Suppose you're creating a PPC plus EC2. You can, if it is a reusable thing, you can create a reusable component or reusable model. Right? Third advantage is version control. So since it's a code, it will be maintained in Git or any version control system where multiple people can collaborate. They can check out, check in, and review the code, audit the code. Right? And so people know that what's exactly in the deployment. So if you look at the code, you will know that what exactly in the deployment. Otherwise, if someone manually going, changing, etc., so we don't know what's happening. So that is the that's why. And another in the advantage of version control is if we'll be able to like restore the environment for some reason, like we released 2.1 and it is causing some issue. So we testing team earlier said that 2.0 is working fine. So we can roll back to 2.0. Like we can check out that little older version and we can deploy that and it will start working. Collaborative workflow and track changes. It's the advantage of version control. Reduce human errors. So manually, if you, as we discussed, manually if we do things, there will be like a lot of issues. People may miss out some steps, forget to create some resources. And since it's a code, it's easy to validate, etc. Multiple cloud supports are available. Uh, the infrastructure as a code like Terraform, AWS, and all this. Cloud agnostic templates are available. In Terraform, like you don't need to write AWS code or Azure code. You will write in HashiCorp configuration language, ACL. Right? So it's a cloud agnostic. Speed and efficiency. You can rapidly provision things. Create a, within the whole infrastructure can be destroyed in minutes. You can create an update also in minutes. Parallel execution is possible. Like a script, you run the Terraform script for staging, development, and production parallel execution, and it will create that all the infrastructure. But manually, like that person will be busy creating this. Then after that, he finishes, he will be doing another one, right? So otherwise, you need three persons to do parallel execution. So that is the speed and efficiency increase. Cost optimization. Since you are so easily able to create and tear down the resources, shut down the resources, you'll be able to like as soon as it's done, you will be able to shut it down. Just run the command to destroy the resource. But if you do it manually, you will think, okay, again, I have to create all this from scratch. So let it run for another 1 hour, 2 hours. Again, I will come back and do some testing, might be. But here, once the testing is over, you can totally destroy the all the resources. So cost savings will be there. State management is there. state management, single source of truth is a state file where it records the current state. And testing validation, it's possible because you can integrate with the CI/CD tool before the deployment. And improve disaster recovery. So if something happens, some disaster happens in one location, you want to recreate the whole infrastructure again in some other location, other region, you can easily do it because you have the code, infrastructure as a code, you can just deploy. Compliance and security. Since all these things are in code, like if you get into Terraform Cloud and running the command, destroy the resource or creating the something, so it will be everything is logged, everything is tracked. But someone is manually doing, we may not be able to track that easily. Like who has destroyed that resource, who has changed the configuration, it may not be that easy to track it. But here it's in one place, you will be able to track what happened. Like if something is wrong, we'll be able to track which user did that wrong thing and what happened. We'll be able to track it. It's a compliance and security can be improved that way. Audit trails is there. So it can be audited what happened, who changed what. There is a good ecosystem support. There are a lot of module open source library. Since it's an open source ecosystem, a lot of community-based modules uh, providers it's available, and it can be easily integrated with other tools like Ansible, Kubernetes. So these are the main benefits. Main benefits of IaC is infrastructure as a code is a consistency, repeatability, scalability, version control, reduced human errors, speed efficiency. Right, these are the important benefits. Improved disaster recovery. These are the important benefits. So please like and share this video and follow my WhatsApp channel where I post contests and quizzes and you can participate in win some prizes and quizzes. And also follow my Devops channel LinkedIn page where I post pretty questions and quizzes. And thank you for watching the video.